So I found this root somewhere. Really wasn't sure where I found it, but it's very weathered. You can see the outside is smooth, so it's been outside getting beat up by the wind and the rain, and it's smooth. So it's stored away in my garage, and I finally decided to see what was inside, and it is quite beautiful. I think it's walnut. I'm not really sure. This value of the wood and the color of the wood sort of says walnut, but I decided to slice it and make it multiple pieces. I thought it might book match pretty well, but as I started to slice this piece up, and you can see I'm going real slow with this 3/4 inch 3/2 per inch bandsaw blade. If you go fast, sometimes the blade will swing one side to the other and your cut won't be exactly straight and even. But these pieces ended up, see, they don't book match very well, but they ended up kind of looking like islands or continents or something. So I was thinking maybe some kind of continent looking table, or I don't know. I'm still thinking about that. Actually want your opinion on what you think it should look like, what it should be. What can I do with these pieces? So as I continue to slice it up, I sped up the video because it is kind of boring and monotonous. Here I'm using a pad to make sure I don't cut my fingers off. That wouldn't be good. And anyway, I end up with multiple pieces, and then I had to get the marks out from the worms. You can see the little squiggly areas. Some kind of bug got in there. I don't know. That might have been what killed the tree. But there's also bark areas in there. So I removed all the bark, and now I have all these other boughs left over that I have to decide what I want to do with. Probably slice those up too. I think it's the most effective way to use this kind of wood. Okay, so that's that. Please subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, and I'll see you later.